That time of the year again when we're all celebrating the holidays, gathering with family and friends, but those gatherings could help spread respiratory illnesses, including COVID, the flu, or RSV.
Yeah, and according to the CDC, RSV hospitalizations are on the rise right now. Here's ABC's Morgan Norwood with the story.
Respiratory illnesses are on the rise and increasing in parts of the country. The CDC says 15 states plus New York City are seeing high or very high levels of respiratory illnesses, which is defined as people going to the doctor with symptoms that include fever, cough, and sore throats. RSV hospitalizations remain elevated among children under 4 and are also increasing in adults over 65.
RSV is a virus that causes an inflammation of the upper airway and also leads to a lot of secretions and mucus production.
There is an RSV vaccine that the CDC is recommending for adults over 60 and for pregnant women.
The vaccine can then help them produce antibodies that they can transfer via the placenta to their fetus.
According to the CDC, flu hospitalizations are rising, but the number of new admissions still remains low. The southeast and south central areas of the country reporting the highest level of activity. COVID hospitalizations have reached levels not seen since February, particularly among babies, young children, and older adults, but hospitalizations are still lower than what was seen this time last year. The CDC is tracking a rising COVID subvariant called JN1, which is estimated to be making up more than 20% of the current cases nationwide. But there's no evidence that JN1 is more severe than previous variants, and test vaccines and treatments are still expected to be effective. Health officials recommend everyone get their updated flu and COVID vaccines, as well as RSV shots if they're eligible. And it's not too late, as it often takes up to 2 weeks to reach full protection after a dose, which would be just in time for Christmas and New Year's celebrations. Morgan Norwood, ABC News, New York.
And our coverage of health news can also be found at WQAD.com. Just head to our website and you're going to find your health in the search bar at the top of our homepage.